Hey there, West Shore students. Today, let's learn how to clear your cache in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. This will help improve your browsing experience. This can also come in handy if you get an error when loading an assignment, opening a file, or trying to watch a video in Canvas. But first, let's talk about why clearing your cache is important. Clearing your cache can help in several ways. Again, if you're having trouble loading certain assignments, viewing files, or watching videos in Canvas, or if they just aren't displaying correctly, clearing the cache can often resolve these issues. Using this as your first troubleshooting step can also save you from having to send an email to the help desk. Clearing your cache also improves performance. Over time, cached data can build up and slow down your browser. Clearing it can free the space and speed things up. Clearing your cache also ensures up-to-date content. Sometimes your browser may display outdated content because it's loading from the cache. Clearing it ensures you see the most current version of a website. Now that you know why it's important to clear the cache, let's do it. Let's clear the cache in Google Chrome. Follow these steps. First, open Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Delete Browsing Data. A new window will pop up. In the time range dropdown, select All Time. Make sure the box for cached images and files is checked. You can also check other boxes if you want to clear more data. Last, click the Delete Data button. And that's how you clear the cache in Google Chrome. Now, let's look at clearing the cache in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge browser. In the top right corner, click on the 3 horizontal dots to open the menu. From the menu, click on Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the Clear Browsing Data section and click on Choose What to Clear. In the drop-down menu, select All Time for the time range. Make sure Cached Images and Files is checked, then click on the Clear Now button. And that's it! You've successfully cleared your cache in both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. This helps improve performance and can fix some loading issues. If you have questions or need support, email the technical support team at techsupport@westshore.edu. Have a great semester!